Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a very serious issue of the world, that is changed lifestyle due to COVID-19. Global pandemic COVID-19 has turned all the lives upside down. It has changed the way of living of each and every individual, no matter if it is a business tycoon or a person below poverty line. Fear has spread everywhere, smiles no longer is visible due to wearing masks. This virus has taken away more lives than a war could ever do. Economy has gone down. Poor people who comes to the prosperous states in search of food and money no longer find survival there. Now the question is, will it keep continue like this even after lockdown? Will there be any sign of relief? Will we be able to come back to our normal life? Well, it seems to be a big no-no for me. You can see the practice of washing hands, sanitizing things before using, and maintaining personal hygiene that started as a precautionary measure has become a habit these days. Jobs of millions of people are at stake. Many businesses are shut, and people are suffering from poverty and hunger. A person whose age is 45 years, having responsibility of his family and expenses of his children's education, has lost his job. He is helpless. His children are young and do not earn right now. Problems coming along are countless with countless examples, and the only solution to this is creating one's own business that is accessible to all and can be operated from anywhere. But the question is, are we ready to be resilient and adapt to these changes? Well, now is the situation of do or die. Solution to all these problems is to get digital and invest one's own learning and interest to build a website and earn while doing what you love. Own a website, become a CEO and head your business. Businesses, schools, coachings, etc. are operating their services online. E-learning has overcome all the challenges for the students and has opened the door for them to explore and upskill themselves. This is the need of generation. Moreover, it can be a source of your bread. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi introduced Digital India long ago. But just look at us now. Did we ever bother to give a glance to its vision and significance? Well, now is never late. Grab the opportunity, use this quarantine time and become independent. Become Atmanirbhar. Let us join hands to make India a digital India, proud India and prosperous India. Jai Hind. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share this with as many people as you can. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. We have uploaded many videos to bring knowledge for you people. We will come back soon. Till then, keep watching.